Pears, bananas, carrots, chicken.
Bacon. A lot of chicken? Oh, wow. Okay. All right, then. Okay.
Chicken.
You gonna go outside and get the treats?
We could pick up Dad along the way. What are you doing?
I think on my way over, while we go for a car ride, I think we'll probably stop at Starbucks and get pup cups and maybe go to the pet store and pick up some nubbies.
Hello. Hey, Nana. How are you?
Okay.
Yeah, did you want to go for a ride? Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. We can maybe get some treats along the way.
Leo, you want a treat?
Are you gonna chase the bunnies? Oh, so you want to chase the bunnies with us?
Hey. Yeah. Did you get the treats? Hoping that Sarah will be there. And Farrell.
Park said that he would like to go for a walk. Yeah, and after we go for a walk, he wants to go to the ball. We're gonna get the baby, and then we're gonna go to Gammy's.
Going for a walk.
And